Good morning traders and welcome to the daily call today, Tuesday the 9th of May. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let us have a look and start off with what's happened overnight. There wasn't much news. We did have from China. We had the Chinese trade balance come in at a wider than expected surplus of 262 billion as opposed to the forecast of 197. Exports and imports were a little bit of a miss as well. All of this equaled for the Aussie dollar, really was unfazed by it. So it didn't really affect us as much as we thought it may have. Aussie dollar traded in a narrow range of around about 28 pips, slightly down, but quite narrow. That was pretty much all that happened yesterday. It was a slow start to the week in terms of data release. So let's have a look at now our chart of the day. The chart of the day for today is, it's one that we spoke about yesterday in our full market analysis class. It's the Euro USD on a daily chart. We are inside a nice channel and we have produced an engulfing candle on the perimeter. We can see it over here. So some of you may not like to trade the engulfing candle and you may want to wait for confirmation that this in fact is the high, which would mean you would have to wait for the current candle to finish. But the way that you do trade the engulfing candle is we are ready to go for it right now. So it's up to you. Either way, just watch it. Let's see what happens. There's still a gap down here which kind of puts things into nice perspective. Let's see if it plays out. Euro USD on a daily chart, engulfing candle in a channel. That is our chart of the day. All right, let's carry on and have a look at what we'll have in the session that is about to unfold for us. At 11:30 we have retail sales in Australia, and at 7:30 this evening we have the annual budget release. The budget release is a bit of a mixed one. Sometimes it can have a high impact on the currency, sometimes it's a non-event. Nevertheless, it's something that the Australian public is and always keen to hear, see what the taxation allocations are, etc., etc. So let's have a look at the annual budget release tonight at 7:30. Now these times of course are in my local time, Australian Eastern Standard Time. That's pretty much all that the data for the session that is about to unfold. As always guys, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, I hope you all have a fantastic trading day. I'll speak to you tomorrow for the daily call. Bye for now.